Immigration court judges and prosecutors will meet an opportunity to reduce the deportation backlog.
Channel 5's Christian Von Preissing explains how it works and what changes are coming.
The U.S. immigration court system gives people a way to challenge their deportations. Cases have added up and the backlog has reached as high as 500,000 people. Today at the Harlingen Immigration Court, the signs of that backlog are still present. This day for Claudia Gonzalez and her daughter have been a long time coming.
5 años.
5 years since Gonzalez says she and her daughter, 16-year-old Emily, crossed the river. Now Gonzalez has a pending deportation. Today could be an important day.
Para que defina el juez si yo, sigo para más pruebas o definitivamente aquí se decide si uno se queda o no.
Gonzalez is one of many who felt the need to leave where they're from. Her home is a village in Tabasco, Mexico. She says she fled from violence, fear of kidnapping, and murders down the street.
Era un pueblo tranquilo, ahora ya no. Ahora mucho feminicidio, narcotráfico, mucha delincuencia, ya no puedes andar tranquilo.
Immigration attorney Rodrigo Vallejo advises clients to come through these doors in Harlingen.
It takes about a year to set that hearing up.
In the past, the immigration courts have rescheduled cases, setting them back up to 3 years.
Some people want their hearing as soon as possible if they have a good case, especially because they want to just be here completely legally without having to deal with the courts anymore.
Yeah.
Others, however, do want to stretch it as far out as they can.
Vallejo says a judge normally completes 2 deportation hearings a day.
The more judges that we have, the easier it's going to be for them to set earlier hearings.
Yeah.
So it's definitely going to decrease the amount of time the clients have to wait for their next hearing.
Gonzalez wants her daughter to have a brighter future. People like her are ready to fight to stay in the country. Some of those new immigration judges will be serving the immigration courts in Harlingen and Port Isabel. Those are the closest ones in our area. A Justice Department spokesperson says those judges will be hearing cases in person and by telephone conference. In the Channel 5 News Studio, Christian Von Preissing, Channel 5 News at 6.
And here's a breakdown of the additions to the immigration courts the Department of Justice is making. There are 35 new prosecutor positions, 7 are in Texas, and they're adding 18 new immigration judges. The DOJ says that's a 50% increase to the current roster of immigration judges.